Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to launch your inflatable boat without wheels. I'm also gonna show you guys with wheels, but primarily without wheels. So let's get right to it. So right now I have my inflatable boat near a body of water. This is a boat ramp, but it can be done on dirt as well, as long as the body of water is deep enough. So what I'm going to do right now is basically unroll it, and where the majority of the rear part of the boat will be on the water. I'll show you. Okay, so right now, basically I'm going to unroll the inflatable boat. And as I mentioned earlier, most of the rear part is going to be on the water, which is fine. That's what we want. I'm gonna go ahead and get it inflated as it is. I'm going to fast forward this footage because otherwise it's gonna be too boring. Okay guys, now the inflatable boat is fully inflated. As you guys can see, about half of it is in the water, which is exactly what you want. Now is the time to put in your trolling motor or outboard motor. I have a 6 horsepower Tohatsu right here. Make sure that the transom bracket is fully extended, otherwise you wouldn't be able to put it in, and I will show you. All right, time to put in the outboard in place. Make sure you have your footing on the water, depending on your boat ramp or in the dirt. It could be slippery. And make sure you don't want to slip. Get that in place. And there, bring you guys in closer, show you what I'm talking about. This is what you want. You want to make sure that the outboard is not touching the floor, because you don't have a lot of clearance. And at this time, here's when we go ahead, grab it from the front. Going to lift it and slide it in the water, and there it goes. It's in the water, see? And that's how you launch the boat without a transom wheels or dollies and things like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the boat into the land, show you guys how to launch it with the transom wheels. It's more convenient. I'll show you guys the details. Let me get to that. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to launch with transom wheels. It's fairly easy. There are different brands and different models. This one has little clip holes in here. This grabs onto. It clips into one section. This one clips on the other section, the other side, like so. I usually go ahead and just lift it, and they click on. Now, another advantage of having this is that you don't have to trim the outboard at all. Like with the bracket, you don't have to extend it. It just fits right in, sticking out. I'll show you. I can just lay the outboard like so. See? It's got plenty of clearance. And the beauty of that is this. I like this part. Right from the front. Out you go. All right, everybody, I am in the water. I'm gonna go ahead to the lake, show you guys a little bit of that before I finish this video. Yeah, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Sun's coming out. All right, out we go. All right, now here we go. Get full power. Get into plane. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, that's what it's all about, baby. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, all right? Later.